I want to talk to you about timing your cuckoo clock. Yes, you do have to time your cuckoo clock. And if you don't time it when it's out of the movement, you're going to figure out that you're going to have to take it all back apart just to time it. Now, this is ready to cuckoo. So I want you to notice this lever right here, which is the rack. This piece right here where it's hitting. So we're going to go ahead and count this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, that's on 11 o'clock. So we're going to go ahead and rotate it. I rotated it too much. But I want you to see where it hits, where this tab hits. It's going to hit about at the corner of this area right here, which it does. So we're going to go ahead and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 again. I think I messed up. I counted again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and rotate it. And this is the 12 o'clock position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Going to the half hour position. There's the half hour, and watch where that tab stops on the 1 o'clock position. It hits right here on the 1 o'clock position. If it was to hit down here somewhere, you would have to take this off and rotate the snail to where it hits, the tab hits on the 1 o'clock wheel. If it was to, like I said, if it was to hit down here, watch how many it counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is not military time, so make sure that when you put the rack and snail together, that the tab hits on the top of the snail for the 1 o'clock position. And also that the the lift lock lever here, that it is in a complete notch, because if it is out of timing, it will be on top of a tooth. It won't be in the notch itself. So you might have to rotate the snail a tooth to the left or tooth to the right in order to get it to fall into a tab and not on top of a tooth. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate this all the way around, because it's good for the 1 o'clock position, but you want to make sure it's good for the 12 o'clock, 12:30, and then 1 o'clock position. See, it's within the tooth, within the notch, and it's not sticking on top of a tooth. So we'll go ahead and count it. This should be 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, I forget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, now I'm going to rotate it. There's the half hour position. And it fell within the 13 o'clock, the position 2. So I need to rotate the snail some, because we don't want it to fall where it's falling. So I rotated the snail. There's the 1 o'clock. I'm going to go all the way back around again, because I want to see where the 12 o'clock position is. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's still not falling where it needs to fall, so I have to rotate the snail some more. I have to take and rotate the snail some more, because it's still not falling where it needs to fall. So take it off the minute pinion and rotate it. I still have to rotate it some more. This is only just to show y'all that you have to set this thing in time. This should be the 12 o'clock position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I counted 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And this is the reason why. You see where this tab is hitting? It's hitting down in this notch. It needs to hit the very corner piece of this. It needs to hit there. So I need to take this. I had to remove this now and rotate it another notch. So I'm going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, if I can get this tab up here, we're good to go. But we're not, because it's still falling way down here. So anyway, this video is to show y'all that it has to be in timed. This tab has to get up here on the 1 o'clock position on the snail. So you have to play around with the snail and the rack to get it in time, and do that before you take it and put it in the movement, in the case, or you're going to be upset that you didn't put the clock in time before you put it in the case. we're going to go around. I'm going to start with right in the 8 o'clock position, maybe. Something like that. 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's a half hour. This should be 10 o'clock position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a half hour. It's coming up, should be the 11 o'clock position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This should be the 11:30 position. This should be the 12 o'clock position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12:30 position. And the 1 o'clock position. Again, if this tab is hidden in the corner of the snail, it's in the it's not timed right. I hope this helps. Please hit the subscribe button if you guys and gals enjoy my videos. God bless.